what's up, my team? Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Please, let's share the video. So I'll be doing Sanganai, nesu, patinonyengetera in the key of F sharp. The key of F sharp. That's the key of F sharp. Okay, so the scale of the key of F sharp, that's the key of F sharp. Okay, she's in the number system. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. Okay, that's F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, E, C sharp, D sharp, F, then F sharp. Coming back to F sharp. So our song Sanganai nesu, it begins from number 4. This inversion, so our 4 we then have this inversion, the root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Okay, so we start with this first inversion. To 1, that's our F sharp. To C sharp, which is number 5. So it's Sanganai nesu, patinonyengetera. Sanganai nesu, high note where you say yengetera. So it's 4. We're going to play 4 with this inversion, second inversion of our 4. So this is 4. So it's 4, 3, 3. We play 3 in this version. This version 3. And this, so we're going to play this was the note is high. Progression is 1 4 1 5. So basically that's the basics to the song. So if you're a beginner, you can be helped. I know how hard it is for a beginner. So thank you so much. Please subscribe, like,